Hey guys, my name's Kayla. Today I'll be unboxing my August Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. It has a few new changes this month, like this eco-friendly mailer bag instead of the box, and we get to choose 3 of our products. First product I chose this month was the Estate Cosmetics and Bailey Sarian Venice Fling eyeshadow palette. And here's what the inside looks like. And I'll swatch a few of the shades. Here's Soul, Bonfire, and Roller Skates. They look like really pretty pigmented colors. The next thing I got is by Complex Culture. And it is a powder brush, a plush powder brush. I love this brand. I've gotten a few brushes from them, and they're all really good. Next, we'll go inside the bag, which is new drawstring bag with the Glam Bag Plus this month. And here's a card for this month, telling you ingredients to try and how to build your perfect bag. In the bag, we have from Beauty For Real to eyeshadow sticks, and this one is in this one is in ever something. I can't read it. It's very small writing. And this is what this looks like. And then the other one is Midnight Madness. This is what this color looks like. Swatch both of them. It's this shade. And then here's this shade. And this is a product that Ipsy picked for me. And the brush was a product that I had picked. Next is the Huda Beauty Demi Matte Lipstick in Lady Boss. And this was another item that Ipsy picked for me. And it looks like a very pretty purple, dark purple or red. And the last product I got is from Illamasqua. It's a lip gloss. This is what the wand looks like. And apply it to my lips. It's just a clear lip gloss. Thanks for thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to see more from me.